Holy crap, dude.
Crikey.
The headlights, the grill, emblem, the tow hooks are ceramic coated.
I know that I did not pay for this, but I guess they decided to throw it in for me. I see, oh my God.
When Neptune and SpongeBob were making the Krabby Patties, and Neptune just like shot out a bunch of patties there, and then SpongeBob like.
And I never felt more alive in my life. So I sit back and sip a Patron. Yeah, I'm right where I belong. And if it might feel wrong, but I'm feeling so right.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. You're actually going to be following me along kind of as like a day in the life, similar type stuff mixed in with some car stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy. But today I'm walking outside right now because we just got the GT350's engine in, which is really cool. Nice. Oh, so we don't have a forklift, so the guys across the street right here are gonna hopefully get the forklift up here and lend it to us so we can use it. Nice. Thank you so much, by the way. I appreciate it. Glad that he was able to do this because they were gonna charge a redelivery fee if we couldn't get it off. Move these out the way. By the way, guys, we have not put the wheels on the truck yet because we were waiting on the truck to get back from getting ceramic coated, and today it's actually done, so we're going to pick it up in just a minute.
Big old hunk of scrap metal. What you got that for?
As you guys know, this is the RPG engine, which we got from RPG Racing Engines, and really cool. A lot of stuff on here that you guys probably don't even know about, but that is the VooDoo engine for the Shelby, the GT350 over there. If you guys missed what is going on, or if you're actually new to the channel, this is a twin turbo car, and the engine that we had in there was a stock motor, but unfortunately the stock motor somehow, whenever I bought the car, it had been, well, play the clip. Daniel, you know what to do. Yeah.
Oh my God. What are you looking at? Oh
So after that, unfortunately, we had to tear the motor out of the car, obviously, and once we got it out of the car, and luckily we sent the engine over to RPG, and they pretty much sleeved the engine and got it prepared for over 1,500 horsepower. It's rated, is all it says on the build sheet, is 1,500 plus. I don't know what 1,500 plus means, but it's plenty for what we're doing, so.
Bring it on.
This my.
No, it literally just means, how much power can you take? Yes.
Unfortunately though, I am not going to be opening up the engine yet. We've got to go to Monroe, Louisiana, which is about a 45-minute drive from here where we're going, and I've got show rehearsal because in less than, I think, 3 weeks at this point, we've got a show on January 30th. So if you guys are interested in coming out, you can go to traceandmello.com. It's been a pretty busy day today, to say the absolute least, but I'm going to go pick up the 2020 Duramax. We're going to go get it, check it out, look at the ceramic coating that we got done to it. Then after we pick it up, I got to go to the show rehearsal. Then we're going to come back home after that. I'm going to finish opening up the engine so you guys can check it out because I am dying to check it out myself. They've got a lot of stuff that they did to it while they had it that I cannot wait to run through with you guys. Really cool stuff. RPG, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You have absolutely made my life 10 times easier. Anyways, guys, we're on the road, so I'll talk to you guys when we get there.
She looks smooth. Like,
all right, we've rushed.
holy crap, dude.
Crikey.
I hadn't seen a Sheila looking that good since I met my love back in '71.
Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's the first time that I've actually gotten to see like the real color, I guess, of it.
Yeah.
Because it's been dirty, but Jesus.
All the paint's coated, trim's coated, mirrors, the cab light, the roof, the bed cap, everything.
All ceramic coated.
All coated. We removed your sponsorship.
Oh yeah.
I just put those back in there because there are two nice gaping holes, but it looks so much cleaner without that billboard up front.
You are not lying.
The only thing we did not coat would be the step rails, only because it's a high traffic area.
Yeah, I got you.
But I mean, we did get all this around the edge, this, like, you know, it's not where you step on, you're not worried about it, but all that's coated. All this, all the way into here. It's gonna be a work truck, so let's coat as much as we can on the trim because it's just gonna help you out tremendously down the road.
Let me see the back of your shirt real quick. Oh, look at that. There you go.
Represent, son. Represent. Oh, we also coated your mirrors.
Y'all coated them, like the glass?
Yeah. Well, I mean,
in case you guys don't know, I take all of my vehicles here. I haven't even put it on video. I don't think I've been videoing here before, but every single car that I have, if you look at any video and it looks clean, it's because of this man right here. Every single vehicle that has gotten ceramic coated and I've talked about it, it's literally been through him as well. So I take every single thing to him, but.
And we're much appreciated, man.
Oh yeah. If you don't know why, just
yeah.
Look. That's why I take it here.
Oh, wait till it gets wet, son.
Really?
Oh, my goodness.
Like I said, I really don't even think that I've seen the true color until now. Yeah, it's crazy how like gray it looks in the light, and then on this side in the dark, it looks like you would never know it's not black.
The headlights, the grill, emblem, the tow hooks are ceramic coated. everything, because this is going to see a lot of abuse with all the traveling you do. So why not take the extra
Thank
step?
you so
to make,
much.
Oh, dude, it's nothing, man.
Oh my gosh.
A truck like this, I mean, you want to protect your investment. I mean, that's key. Why not go the extra mile, man, and just do what we do, man?
That's insane.
We love it.
I think the craziest part to me is still just how it feels. That's insane. It literally feels like silk.
Man, it feels like silk.
Yeah,
That's
not
what
lying at all.
I was like, close your eyes and rub your hand across it, and it's gonna feel like silk.
Oh my gosh, dude. Everything in here is so clean. We can wire detailing. Thank you again. I don't even want to touch it. Oh. Honestly, whenever I bought the truck, I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like this paint or not, but after seeing it ceramic coated, it's just incredible. They coated every single piece of glass on the entire truck. The sunroof, the windshield, the back glass, side mirrors, the headlights, the taillights, the paint, the trim. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really satisfied. This is the first time that I've gotten a full ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, and the reason being is because I plan on putting most of the miles this year out of all of my vehicles on this truck, so I definitely wanted to have it covered for sure. Anyways though, I'd love to keep talking, but unfortunately the way that my life goes day to day, it's like bang, 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 gotta go. So anyways, I'm headed right now to our local venue here for rehearsal. Again, guys, don't forget about our show on January 30th in Dallas, but yeah, let's go. We are now about to get started unboxing the Shelby's engine finally, and I know you guys have been waiting for it, trust me, so have I. I'm just happy to be back, but check this thing out. I have never been in this shop in this nice of clothes before, but I guess that's the price to playing the roles of 4 different people every day. I think I hear Rob. Al? Al? Rob? Huh? Y'all trying to come see a motor? Rob walks out with a tank top and a pistol in his hand. You all ready?
Here, wait, I have something to open it for.
Oh yeah, okay. So immediately, I know that I did not pay for this, but I guess they decided to throw it in for me. I see, oh my God, RPG billet plate back here, and it's, look at this. What? It says it's just a 6.
Holy crap, dude, wow. That's cool as hell.
Oh, that's a nice rear main seal. Fresh crank, by the way. I do know that at least, but that's pretty cool.
That is so cool. They even filled it in right here.
Oh, what?
Hey, look, it's SK sponsored too.
Look at that. They actually engraved RPG into the block itself too, so you know it's an RPG engine.
So you know it's a rocket propelled grenade. Yes, this is just a big bomb.
I hope nothing about this engine is rocket propelled.
RPG went ahead and threw in fresh, brand new cams. Oh my God, hang on, I just now noticed something.
Yes.
They did.
Look at them valve springs.
They did brand new valve springs, brand new valve seals and retainers, brand new cams, because if you guys remember whenever we did the cams, they were eaten up. The cam caps are brand new. ARP cam cap bolts, completely new timing set.
I'd like to point out that it might be because the only cams I've seen are crusty, dusty, musty, but like these are the nicest looking cams. They're so
well, they're all brand new.
I know. I'm used to
They actually timed everything for us already and shipped us the entire engine ready to go. At this point, literally, I kid you not, this is the nicest thing ever, because at this point, all we do is put a valve cover on each side, intake manifold on the top, water pump, whatever on the front, and then literally just drop it in the car and it's good to go.
Yeah, you ready for ski? Yep.
I'm very happy to have a very reputable company actually put this together, and it turned out A1. They decked the block, they did a mainline hone, they hot tanked the block completely, they dart and sleeved it, O-ringed the block, diamond finish hone, they put a brand new VooDoo crankshaft in it, Manley Platinum Series pistons with 12:1 compression ratio, Manley I-beam rods with ARP 2000 bolts, King main and rod coated bearings, Total Seal performance ring set. They did ARP main studs and ARP side bolts, which we can't really see. I can see the side bolts kind of, but they also did ARP head studs, which are in there. Really cool. 4 GT350R head gaskets. They resurfaced the cylinder heads, vacuum checked, and hot tanked it. They did the complete long block assembly to competition level specifics.
That means
I was right. They did. They threw in pack valve springs and new seals. There's a 20% increase in seat pressure. Ooh. Ooh.
Saucy.
We've got ARP cam phaser bolts. RPG, I love you guys. ARP cam tower bolts. ARP crankshaft bolt. We've also got new timing guides and arms that are ethanol and methanol fuel compatible.
The corn!
Corn! We also got brand new 5.2 liter VooDoo camshafts, intake and exhaust. So legitimately at this point, this is a monster of a VooDoo engine. Honestly, this is getting close to one of the baddest VooDoo engines that I personally have gotten to see built, which is awesome because it's mine and it's going in my car. So that's really crazy to be able to even say, but wow, RPG seriously outdid themselves with this. I am borderline speechless. I cannot but thank you guys seriously so much for the extra things that you guys threw in. That is insane. I did not, again guys, I did not ask for new cams. I didn't ask for new cam cabs. I didn't ask for ARP hardware, except for the head studs. I didn't ask for like any of this. They were just like, they just threw it all in. Look at that. So we've actually got our own custom piece now.
That's still my favorite part. That's such a loving touch. It's like when Neptune and SpongeBob were making the Krabby Patties, and Neptune just like shot out a bunch of patties there, and then SpongeBob like tucked the pickles, gave him a kiss, and put him. That's like this motor versus that other company that shall remain.
Just go show RPG some love, cause that's dope. That's big dope.
If you're at RPG, you earned a hug from me.
They claim that it is rated for daily beating and abuse at 1,500 plus wheel horsepower.
Wait. Huh?
Yeah. I'll go ahead and go off on a limb and say I guarantee that this engine, the engine itself, I would say the timing chains are probably going to struggle. But there's obviously upgrades for timing chains. We can do that later. But I can definitely say that the way that they set this engine up, I have no doubts that this engine could probably hold for a solid amount, like probably 2,000 horsepower or so. 1,500 horsepower, they're claiming like reliably, no problem, throw at it. They basically, whenever they sent it back to me, I sent the engine to him. I was like, hey, this is a twin turbo car. We are having problems with the stock block. Let's make something happen where I don't have any worries again. They were like, huh, okay. So they definitely sent it back to where we're not gonna have any engine worries again. So
You got that spicy deluxe combo.
really, and like I said, they actually sent it back. They were gracious enough to do the entire assembly for us. They did that at no charge. So thank you guys so much. Go check out RPG Racing Engine. Seriously, they take care of their customers there. It's phenomenal. In actually a very short amount of time now that I'm thinking about, what's it been, like a month and a half?
If that, yeah. I think
A month, four or 5 weeks, something like that. I shipped the engine out. It takes a week of shipping. In just the course of 2 weeks, they take the engine, completely strip it down, bore out the block, sleeve the block, put brand new cam, do all of the machine work, brand new valve springs, assemble the entire thing, all the added upgrades, get the entire thing assembled, and then ship it back to me, which takes another week. How did they work so fast?
That's how you run a business, baby. Woo!
As you guys know, we've been having a lot of engine issues, especially on like the race car, the black car, the GT. I will say that it has been a little bit disappointing because I've really been waiting for that car to get back up, and I know you guys have too. So I'm just happy that we got this one back so freaking fast that we'll be able to just throw it in the car, and hopefully we should have it running in the next few days. So you guys should be seriously ready for some GT350 content. That's gonna be crazy.
Bro, can we name that motor?
What you want to name it?
Cerberus.
Cerberus?
Cerberus. Come on. Come on, that's...
Cerberus?
Yeah, we're gonna have to move that to that car after this block. So.
Unboxing Cerberus, my new
So you got
1,500
like
horsepower
Yeah, you got a Coyote
GT350 engine.
You got a Coyote engine, and then you got like a 3-headed Coyote.
Yeah, actually. Powered by VooDoo.
We're a little bit of nerds off camera, so. Anyways, though, the plan was today we were supposed to, but unfortunately we got a little bit sidetracked with everything going on. It's been a wild day, trust me. But what we were supposed to do in this video, we were supposed to have the GT350 up on the lift. We've got Caleb's car up there right now because unfortunately his transmission is having some problems. So we were diagnosing that, and this car was supposed to be taken off. But long story short, it didn't happen. So I was hoping to drop the camber out of the GT350, set the motor in place, and basically have it ready to go for after we get back from our trip tomorrow, which you guys will see next video. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yo,
Look at this.
they stuffed the hiding hole.
Bro,
Holy crap. Oh.
it's like a pinata, but I don't think you can break this with a bat.
Oh,
Oh, look
yo.
That's me.
Yo.
This is for Doug.
Hey, that's awesome. That is literally just. Oh, it's a hoodie too.
Whoa. There's a box under there.
Gang.
There's a whole box under. Well, that might be holding it up.
It was just hiding in there.
Yeah.
Listen.
Oh, there's something cool in there.
Damn it, boy.
Look, I'll move it.
Do we have to get this off now?
We could cut out this side of
I love how we're just like, get the engine out of the way. Let's get that box.
Engine. Like, hold on, there's goodies.
Is there a way that we can like actually just lean this for a second?
We could cut this end of the box open.
Wait,
idea.
I think I can get it.
Gavin, you just moved a fork.
I believe in you. Oh yeah.
I feel like Indiana Jones right now.
Oh, it's not as cool as I thought. It's okay. All right. It's the motor mount brackets and the ARP crank bolt. So whatever. That is kind of cool. But anyways, yeah, that is the engine though. So we're gonna wrap the engine back up. And like I said, we've got a very long road trip tomorrow because I'm taking the car finally to drop it off for day 2, episode 2 of the restoration. They're gonna take it's gonna be a complete frame off job. So basically, the car's body is coming off of the frame. But I'll save that because I really do want Dom, who is gonna be doing the work on it. I want him to explain explain to you guys exactly what's gonna be taking place instead of just me, because I feel like I'll leave a little bit of it out. So, and he takes a lot of pride in that stuff too. So anyways, we're gonna load that car up in the trailer after I get done boxing this up, and then we should be good to go for tomorrow. So I'm excited. I'm a little bit out of breath. But I got the engine and trans and everything loaded up, strapped down on the pallet. So now the only thing that we're missing is the car. Pretty much we're just gonna push it in the trailer, strap it down, and get ready for our road trip, which you guys will see in the next video, like I said.
Oh, let's hop in this thing. All right, I got the brakes. I wish I could help y'all.
I'm so sorry.
Go, 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 go. We got it.
Yeah, boy.
We in here, boy.
We really in here though.
Let me climb out this thing.
Not too long ago, you were climbing out of a different Camaro in here.
Yep. They don't get any easier to climb out with age either. Thank you.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you.
I was dressed for the occasion.
Shock tail wheels. The motor trans. Dude, it's full iron block
I know, but like,
and everything. So
I
yeah.
guess I never understood fully what that meant, because my word, that shit's heavy.
Yeah, it really is.
I was like,
Ridiculous.
whenever you were like, yeah, help me, I was like, I got this. I pick up no problem. And then I was like, oh, I'm gonna blow out a disc. Hold on a minute.
The trailer has not been this packed down in a while. I cannot see. Dark.
Dark.
Whew. Extra locks on the trailer because we don't want nobody stealing the car inside of it.
Look at this. Can you see how it's tilted so much? Now there's so much tongue weight right now. I wish I could take the tongue weight out, but I gotta have the motor in the front. As you guys remember on the last truck, on Allison, I have bags on it. So I'd just go inside, hit up on the bags, and it would just give more air, and it wouldn't have any squat like that. So I'm gonna have to get some more bags, it looks like, for this truck, and do that in the future. But anyways, that is probably gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, guys, stay tuned for the next video. We're doing episode 2 of the restoration. Finally, we're going to drop the car off. Then after that is going to be episode 3, which we're actually going to film technically on the same day, but it's going to be 2 separate videos. Episode 3 is going to be dropping off the motor and the trans. We're going to talk about the plans for the car and also the plans for the motor and trans. Should be pretty good. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.